Hello, you wonderful people. I hope you're well. So, a lot of you were wondering where you can find the live link on the course. So, I'll tell you a bit about this in a moment. But right now, hopefully, you can see the screen as you would see it. So, this is the site here, members.englishrightnow.co.uk. If you haven't got access to that, please reach out and we can help you get access to where you need. And effectively, what you do here, you should have a login. So you log in like this, and it comes up like that. And now you're in the course. So first of all, you go here, and then you can see all of the courses down here. And right at the top, you can see upcoming live class. So if you're on the Ultimate British Pronunciation Guide, you should see a Q&A feedback session for Monday the 3rd. This is when I'm recording this lesson. And all you need to do is click on that link there, and it will take you to the Zoom class. You can see it tells you how long, 1 hour and 34 minutes. So it will be a 60-minute lesson in 1 hour and 34 minutes. That's, you can basically see at what time I'm recording this lesson. So that's how you access it. All you do, log in, go to the site, and then right at the top, you will see the next live session. So log into the site and click on the meeting link there, and it will tell you can even add it to your calendar as well. Now, I know a lot of you have been asking about this, so I hope that really helps. And I have been adding the live link on the day, but what I'm going to do is, for example, when tonight's live finishes, I'm going to immediately add the next one as well. And what we plan to do at some point soon is add a calendar so you can see when the next live sessions are taking place. So I really hope this helps you find the meeting link for tonight and for every other live session. So, and obviously I probably don't need to say, but please don't share the link with anyone, maybe not on WhatsApp, not anywhere. Please don't share the link. All you need to do is click on that and you can join the lesson. I hope this helps. I know a lot of you have been wondering about how to access the live session. So I hope this helps, and I will see you very, very soon.